So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to be trying new drugstore products. Some of them are fairly new, some of them may not be so new, but I've never tried them, so they are kind of new to me. If you guys are new, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family, grab a snack, get comfortable. If you guys are back to watch another one of my videos, thank you guys for the love and support. Again, grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's jump right into the video. So this is the Milani Juicy Jazz the Rising Star kit. Now it comes with a eyeshadow palette, a lip crayon, which is technically like a lipstick, and then a little highlight, which it has a brown, like it's not a bronzer, it has a cream highlight and just a powder highlight. So if you guys don't know, I love Juicy Jazz. I love her channel. I love her as a YouTuber. I feel like she's a really down-to-earth person. I mean, I don't know her personally, but from what I see from her videos, she is one of my favorite YouTubers. If I ever have to like get a review on a product, or just I'm not sure about buying something, usually I will hit her channel up to see if she did a review, and if she loves it, most of the times I will definitely love the products. Like I think it's very rare that she's recommended a product for me that I don't like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull my hair back. Now I don't know if I'm gonna do like a voiceover or what, but like I said, we are going to start off with the kit. Now my eyebrows are done, and then on the back it does have a little picture of her, and then she wrote like a little message. Definitely go check her out. Of course, she will explain to you like the names of the palettes and why she named them that way and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to take everything out. Now I haven't used a Milani palette in a very long time, at least not these here, and I definitely have not tried these highlighters. Now I personally do love Milani. They have really great products. Again, this is the lip crayon, which I have the lipsticks and they are amazing. And then this is the little palette. Like I said, this palette here I have not used, and they have another one, guys. They have a more of a brownie one. The lip on there would be a little bit more like a purple, like a very wearable purple, and I believe the highlight duo is a little bit for like the darker skin tones. So I really like this one because I thought it would be fun to do and create a cute look. So of course I'm just gonna prime the lids like I usually do. Any concealer you guys have will work. So I decided to do a voiceover, guys. I haven't done one in a long time, but this is the palette I wanted to show you guys, and I'm gonna go in with the darker shade in the palette. Now the palette is called Like a Dream, and I don't think you can buy the palette separately. I think you have to buy like the kit, but I took that on a little brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that onto my crease and just build up the color slowly and blend it. I'm going back and forth. I was impressed by the pigment and the blendability. It's actually really good. The next shade I'm taking is this lighter purple, and that's going to go right above the dark plummy shade. And again, we're going to go back and forth, taking a really fluffy brush just to make it more softer. And honestly, I was, again, very impressed with this formula. The third shade we're going to take is this like light pink purpley shade. And that's just going to go right below our like brow bone type of thing. Now I did go ahead and cut my crease just to speed things up, guys. And here I'm taking again the darkest shade and applying it to the outer third of the eye. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I really liked how it packed on. And I'm going to take the lightest shimmery pinky shade in the palette. And of course, that's going to go right over the lid where we cut the crease. I'm going to go ahead and pop that on there. And it's a good shadow. I feel like the shimmeries could be a little bit more shimmery, but it did perform well overall. Now onto the face, I'm just going to go ahead and prime with my e.l.f. Putty Primer. I do not have a new primer for you guys, so we're just going to go ahead and prime the face. So I'm going to take this Milani Cream to Powder Foundation. I have mine in the shade 230, which is light beige. And okay, so when you go onto the website, Juicy Jazz does have her little like favorites bundle, and this is one of them. So I picked this up a while ago actually, and I wasn't even planning on this video, but it just happened. Now I really like the coverage of this. It is really full coverage and it's not cakey at all, guys. It's a very lightweight foundation, and here I'm just showing you guys the up close so you guys can see how flawless it looks on my skin. I really like this foundation. Now the next product is this NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, and the pump is really interesting. It reminds me of the MAC, that little MAC concealer that was, you know, popular a few years back. And honestly, guys, this thing has a lot of coverage. I was very impressed because it is a serum, so I thought it would be like not very much full coverage. And I did get mine in the shade beige, just so you guys are wondering. Like I said, it's very nice. I pumped out 2 pumps, but it was a lot. With 1, that's enough. But I really like it. It's really nice under the eyes. It's like hydrating, which I really like. If you have dry under eyes, I feel like you will really enjoy this concealer. So this is a definitely a yes for me. I really liked it. Again, here I'm showing you guys a up close with no powders or anything, just the concealer and foundation. Now for powder, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder. Now this one, I got it in the shade Brighten Translucent, so it's supposed to really brighten up your under eyes. And when I tell you this thing literally makes any texture or pores disappear, it does, guys. I've seen a lot of hype on it on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. But oh my god, this thing is really amazing. I'm actually going to go back and get my shade so I can set my whole face. I just used this wherever I applied that concealer. But this thing is amazing. I was very impressed. It gives you a super smooth under eye. So I definitely love this. Now, this next product is not new, but I've never used it before. Actually, I've never used Essence makeup, but it is the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Natural 01. Now, it's a good powder. I'm not gonna lie. It's really big, and for the price point, it's really good. It's not anything like, oh my god, wow. Like, it's not the craziest product I've used, but it is a good product. I will give it that. I did enjoy it. I feel like maybe I'm gonna have to get a darker shade. I feel like this was a little bit light for me, but it's a good product overall. I mean, I cannot complain. Again, another product that is not completely new, but new to me. This is the Essence the Blush, and I picked up the shade Befitting number 10, and I love this formula. Like, if you guys have not tried these blushes, go ahead and pick them up. They are super affordable. I believe this was under like $4 or $5, which is amazing, and the formula is amazing. Now this is the Make It Last Original Setting Spray from Milani. This also comes in that bundle that I talked about. Very great setting powder. Now this right here also comes in the bundle. It is the 130 Spark Duo, and I'm just showing you guys. The top one is the cream powdered one, and then the bottom one is just the regular powder highlight. Now the top one obviously is more like in your face, you know, but look how nicely the powder one applies. It's a very subtle, pretty highlight. And then I am gonna go into the wet formula, and look at that. Oh my god, super blinding. So this definitely, again, I really like this, and it is the highlighter duo, guys, in Spark Plug, and I really like that. Now this I've never tried from Milani. It is their Ludicrous Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade 120 Can't Even, and it looks more, I guess I want to say like of a nude, like a nude brownie, but it's like really like a nude pink. But I really love this shade. I feel like for every day that would be super pretty on the lips. Now I'm gonna take this dark purple shade, the one that we use like right above our crease, and I'm just gonna run that on my waterline just to, you know, tie the eye together and finish. And then for the inner corner, I am gonna go into the highlighter duo. I'm gonna take the more wet formula, and I'm just gonna pop that on my inner corner. So this is the completed look, and now we're going to jump in so I can tell you guys what I think about the products. Okay guys, so we are gonna talk about what I think, since this is a little bit of like a first impressions. We're gonna start off with the Rising Kit, which is the Milani little trio. Now as far as the eyeshadows, I think it performed really well guys. For the price, you're only paying $14 for the whole bundle, and I believe the value of the whole bundle is like around $30, and the bundle is only $14. So again, it is a good deal. I do like the shadows. They were very easy to blend, very pigmented. Now again, the formula is good overall. As far as the highlight, I love this. This is super pretty on the skin, especially like the wet formula. You guys saw in the video how when I applied the just the regular powdered one, it's a nice pretty little subtle, but once you apply the wet one, it is so pretty. So this is definitely, I think it's worth it. If you get the bundle just for this, it's definitely worth it. The lip cream, I believe it's the lip crayon. I really like this. They're the ludicrous matte lip crayon. They feel really nice. I love this little lip crayon for every day, so I definitely love it. Now I am going to talk about the other products that I used. This one, it was my first time using this, like I think it's a powdered to like a cream to powdered foundation. This is really nice. As you guys can see, it was very full coverage, and it gives you like this soft look. So the foundation is good. Again, I believe it is on the Milani website. It is called Jazz's like favorites, and it comes with this, the setting spray. Now the lipstick that is mentioned in her faves, they are the matte ones, the matte nude ones. So I have a video dedicated to these lipsticks. If you guys want to see, I will definitely link it below and let you guys know what I think. But this is what the little like I guess that little bundle comes with. But I wanted to use the lipstick in the kit, so I did. Now this NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer, it is really pretty under the eyes, guys. I know I've seen a lot of reviews and everybody was kind of like hyping it up, but I definitely agree with it. It was super smooth on the skin. It's actually very full coverage. I thought because it was a serum, it wasn't going to be as full coverage, but I really love this thing. Now the product that I was the most impressed with was the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. Now I got mine in the shade Brighten Translucent, so obviously for under the eyes, it's supposed to like brighten up your eyes. But this thing is amazing, guys. It really does like just kind of blur out your pores. So I am definitely gonna pick this up in my shade so I can like set my whole face. But this thing is really good. I really like this. Now this for me, the Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray. This is like a repurchase. I've tried this in the past, and I really do think it is a good setting spray. So definitely, if you guys are looking out for something good, definitely pick this up. And this is for, I believe, natural finish, so it's not like for oily or dry skin. Now if you are on the oily side, there is a matte one, so definitely check that out. As far as the Essence products, this is a good bronzer. For the price, it's really big. I do like it. It's not something that I'm wowed with. I think it's just a normal bronzer. I like it. I will definitely use it. I don't have nothing bad to say about it. It's a good bronzer. And then as far as the blush, I really like the formula. And again, guys, these are super affordable. They're like they're like literally under $5 at Ulta, and I really like the shade on this one. I feel like it complemented the look overall. But yes, guys, this is the final look. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If you have made it this far, thank you. I will be posting new content for this week, very exciting videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.